everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook healthy food. This is a chicken gut. That's only the one I eat meat, you know what I mean? So I don't really eat it like that. So today I'm gonna cook chicken gut today, and the herb lemongrass and ginger already blended, already chopped it, garlic, cilantro, tomato, squash, Asian squash, and then hot pepper. I cannot miss hot pepper right here, jalapeno. So let's go started cooking healthy food and eat that. Don't feel guilty and healthy. So don't worry about it. This is nothing, just flavor and vitamin. The good thing about this right here and there, cilantro, tomato and garlic, jalapeno, ginger, lemongrass blended already. Get ready to start it. Come on, let's go. It's a healthy oil right here. It's olive oil, organics, guys. So let's start cooking with this oil so you don't feel guilty. And the pot right here, so that gets in the hot pot. So I don't feel guilty when I eat this oil, okay? Because this is good for your heart. Olive oil ภาษาลาวน้ำมันมะกอกนะพี่น้องเอ้ยมันมะกอกเด้อ Okay everyone, the oil is hot now. น้ำมันก็ร้อนแล้ว I love garlic. You'd be surprised how much garlic I use it. 2 quart right here. I love garlic, okay? If you don't want garlic, you don't have to, but I love a lot of garlic. Okay. Oh, turn on the fan. Alright, let's cook garlic to make it smell good first. Just make it smell good. Garlic is good for you, but you overcook, they die. Okay, the good stuff gone. So I'm gonna cook only 20%. Yep, that's it. And I'm gonna go ahead put the ginger and lemongrass. I love cooking food. It's a healthy eating. You don't feel guilty. Eat and lose weight too. So go ahead cooking garlic and lemongrass and ginger all together. It smells so good right now. I'm gonna go ahead add some more oil, a little bit more. Cook, smell good. Okay everyone, see that? Smells so good. Already get yellow a little bit and smells so good now. Chicken gut going down. Cook it down, cook about 15 minutes. Chicken gut, you put the herb like this, it smells so good and then have fun to eat it, okay? So let me cook for 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to season it. Okay, sea sauce, 100% sea sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and put about half spoon. Brown sugar. Don't feel bad to eat brown sugar because they're natural. So put all of this right here. And chicken broth powder, very easy. You can go to Asian market to buy chicken broth powder right here. I put like 1 big spoon. I say the 2 spoon. Okay, that's it for now. We go ahead, stir. Let them cook about 15 minutes. Wow, it smells so good because the herb in here. Yep. I'm so hungry right now. Okay, let me cook for 15 minutes. And add this thin soy sauce, but you can get from Chinese market, Asian market, anybody have that. It's not expensive, but $3.99, something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put 1 spoon because I have a lot of vegetable. Okay, thin soy sauce, guys, going down. You know, my heat is not hot enough. That's irritate me. Okay. everything in here already. So the last thing I'm gonna add vegetable. Oh, go ahead, put this tomato, cherry tomato for flavor. And when you're cooking, guys, you put tomato, make your food taste so good. Okay, tastes delicious. Tomato in here. Smells so good. Wow, make me hungry right now. Guys, don't forget sesame oil, okay? I always add sesame oil in there for flavor and good for your vitamin E also. Yes, vitamin E. Oh yes, don't forget oyster sauce. You can go to Chinese market or Thai market. It's from Thailand. Oyster sauce. That's enough right there. Smells good. Cover up for 5 minutes. Okay, everyone. Simmer 5 minutes after. Open it up, and this is cooking good right now. I'm gonna go ahead and add jalapeno because I love spicy. If you love spicy, put it on. If you don't want it, don't need that. You know, spicy jalapeno is very good for you. Vitamin C. Eat hot pepper, stay younger. Okay, stay younger. Make you stay younger because hot pepper is vitamin C. And let me cook for 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes already. Now, this is all the Asian squash, guys. Put in here all the vegetables going down and eating good and healthy. And lose weight too. Because this is all good food. You cook on your own. Don't eat processed food. Processed keep you sick and not good. Maybe cancer, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead. Yep. Delicious. Smells so good. Cooking this way, you eating, you don't feel guilty. Okay, cover up. Look at this. Cover up for 5 minutes. Okay, everyone. After 5 minutes, the vegetable cooking down. And I'm gonna go ahead and add white pepper. This is spicy but very good spicy. White pepper, a little bit to smell good. Yep. And last ingredient, cilantro. Go all the way, going down. Now time to stir and turn off. Turn off. It's done. Turn it off. Done. Let's go eat. Cooking good, eating good, and don't feel guilty. If you one person, you can eat 3-4 days right here. Healthy cooking. Okay guys, let's go eat. Done. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Look at this. Okay everyone, eat with purple rice. Very healthy. This is organic rice. Eat with this rice I just cooked, finished. Wow. This rice right here, you can go buy in Asian market. They have purple rice and eat this healthy. A lot of fiber. Okay, let's go put this on. Oh my god, this is so good. Look at this. Back home you can sell this right here. Oh my god, it's very good food right here. And have juice with a bit. There you have it, guys. You have a healthy food and eating happy and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you next video. If you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and I will share with you more and more. Bye bye now. See you next one. Thank you. Bye. ขอบใจทุกคนที่ติดตาม ขอบใจทุกคนที่สนับสนุน ขอบใจหลายๆเด้อ more